Hi, I'm Stacey Cole. Welcome to EcoGrow Garden Tips, where every garden blooms with possibilities. Today, we're exploring how to create a cozy green sanctuary at home without breaking the bank. Whether you have a large backyard or a small balcony, these budget-friendly ideas will transform your space into a lush retreat. Did you know that adding greenery to your living space can improve air quality, reduce stress, and even increase your home's value? It's the perfect way to create your personal oasis. If you're just starting out, I've linked my favorite beginner gardening kits in the description below. These kits are perfect for setting up your first green space. Whether it's on a small balcony or in your backyard, they come with everything you need to get growing quickly and easily. Check them out and get ready to start your gardening journey today. Let's get started. The first step in creating your sanctuary is assessing your space. Whether it's a small patio, a balcony, or a living room corner, consider the light, temperature, and how much time you can dedicate to your garden. When I first started, I made the mistake of overcrowding my small balcony with too many plants, so now I always recommend starting small and gradually expanding. This will help you make the right choices as we move forward. Understanding your space's limitations and opportunities will help you make the right choices as we move forward. And don't forget, even a tiny area can be transformed into a green haven with the right planning. If you're finding these tips helpful, hit the like and subscribe button for more gardening tips and inspiration. Now, let's talk plants. Choosing the right plants is key to a thriving garden. If you're short on time, opt for low-maintenance plants like succulents, snake plants, or pothos. They're virtually indestructible and perfect for beginners. I remember when I first started, my succulents was able to thrive even when I forgot to water them for weeks. For those of you with a bit more time, consider adding ferns, peace lilies, or small citrus trees. These plants not only purify the air, but also bring a refreshing burst of color and life to any space. And remember, the right plant choice can depend on the season and your local climate, so don't hesitate to experiment and find what works best for your environment. Check the description for links to air-purifying plants and indoor gardening kits. These are the same ones I use in my home. Now, let's get creative with containers. You don't need fancy pots. Repurpose items like teacups, mason jars, or crates. A quick coat of paint or rope can turn everyday items into charming plant holders. I once used an old wooden crate from a farmer's market as a rustic planter, and it quickly became one of my favorite garden pieces. You can also try making your own hanging planters with macrame for vertical interest. And if you're looking to personalize your garden even more, try customizing your containers with eco-friendly paints. It's an easy way to add a pop of color and match your garden's aesthetic. Find links to my favorite DIY supplies, including macrame kits and eco-friendly paints, in the description below. With your plants and containers ready, it's time to think about layout. Layering plants by placing taller ones at the back and shorter ones in front creates depth. Grouping plants with similar care needs together makes watering easier. Don't forget to add decorative elements like fairy lights, garden statues, or a cozy chair to enhance the ambiance. When I first set up my garden, I found that a few simple decorative touches made a huge difference in creating a warm, inviting space. Also, consider using mirrors or reflective surfaces to make small spaces feel larger and more open. Check out the links below for outdoor lighting, garden statues, and cozy furniture to enhance your garden's ambiance. You don't need to spend a lot to create a beautiful garden. Consider swapping plants with friends, making your own compost from kitchen scraps, and looking out for sales at local garden centers or online stores to keep costs down. I've saved a ton by joining local plant swap groups, and the plants I've received often have the best stories behind them. Another great tip is to repurpose old household items, like using an old ladder as a tiered plant stand. For those looking to save even more, I've included links to some budget-friendly composting bins, tools, and plant swap resources in the description below. And there you have it, everything you need to create your own cozy green sanctuary on a budget. Remember, gardening is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to a space that not only looks beautiful, but also brings you peace and joy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more tips and tricks from EcoGrow Garden Tips. And if you've created your own garden sanctuary, I'd love to see it. Share your photos and stories in the comments below. For those who love to track their gardening journey, I've included links to some of my favorite gardening journals and online communities in the description below. These tools help you connect with others and keep a record of your garden's progress. As an extra additional bonus tip, here's a secret I've learned over the years. The key to a thriving garden is consistency. Whether it's watering, pruning, or simply checking in on your plants every day, staying consistent with your care routine is what keeps your garden healthy and beautiful. And here's another very important little trick I use. Set reminders on your phone to water and care for your plants on a regular schedule. It's a simple step that can make a world of difference. Remember, gardening is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to creating the green sanctuary of your dreams. Remember to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to check out our next video for more gardening inspiration. I'm thrilled to have you joining me today. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep growing together. Before you go, check out our other videos for more tips, ideas, and strategies on enhancing or transforming your garden. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced gardener, we have a library of videos available to assist you in creating your garden oasis. Perfect for anyone with limited space or a massive backyard. And if you're new here, welcome to the EcoGrow family. Click here to subscribe and join our community of garden lovers. We've got plenty more tips, tricks, and inspiration coming your way. Check out the links below for my favorite tools and journals to document and share your garden journey. Let's inspire each other. Leave a comment below. Tell us about your gardening journey. We'd love to hear from you. Happy gardening!